Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's that time of season again. It's time for the fall 2021 FabFitFun add-on sale. I'm so excited to take you guys through with the items I have in my cart, some items I have my eye on and probably will purchase this season. So if you're interested in checking out all the items that I think are really great to purchase this season, definitely keep on watching. For those of you who might be new, thanks so much for checking this out. I'm a full-time working mom, but in my spare time I really love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, in addition to my reselling experience as well. So if that kind of thing sounds at all interesting, definitely check out my other videos linked down below, and please consider hitting that subscribe button as well. It'll really help me out. Okay, so for today's video, again, I'm going to take you through all of the items that I currently have in my cart for the fall 2021 FabFitFun add-on sale. For those of you who might not be familiar with FabFitFun, although I realize that's pretty unlikely because this thing is all over social media and all over just conventional media as well. But if you're not familiar with FabFitFun, this is a seasonal subscription box where you get full-size products that get you excited for every season ahead. This is the only subscription service I currently am part of, so that just goes to show that I really, honestly, truly love this service. And just so you're aware, this video is in no way sponsored. None of these items were gifted to me, and I'm actually just going to be purchasing these on my own, and I'm a subscriber on my own as well, so no way am I affiliated with FabFitFun. So hopefully in this way I can give you a little bit of a more unbiased opinion on some of these products. For those of you who are new to FabFitFun and might be interested in checking it out for yourself, definitely consider using my referral link down below. If you use that link when you make your first subscription purchase, you will save $10. Okay, so again, I'm going to take you through some of my add-ons that I picked out this season. And add-ons are items that you can go ahead and pick out for a pretty heavily discounted price. And I always love adding these add-ons into my box because you don't pay any additional shipping, at least in the United States or continental US at least. And also, you're getting some great brands that at least I know and love. So I really love that extra savings. It's kind of fun to add on a few extra items to your seasonal boxes. So this year, actually, I should say this season, I'm actually pretty impressed with the add-on selection. I actually picked out quite a few items. Again, I'm probably not going to pick up all these items. I tend to weed through my cart as the days go on before the sale closes. And just as a quick reminder, the sale closes, at least for annual members, in the evening of August 9th. So at that time, you don't have to check out at all. On August 9th, the sale closes, so you will automatically be billed for whatever is in your cart at that time. Just be a little wary that if you have some extra items in your cart, you have to weed through them before the sale closes. Otherwise, unfortunately, you're going to be purchasing them. So just be a little bit careful about that. If you're interested in the dates of the sale, I will definitely list them in the description box down below. And just so you're aware, for annual members, the sale is currently open and will be open through August 9th. And for those of you who are seasonal members, you will have your opportunity to shop add-ons in about 2 weeks. So I believe the add-on sale for you will open on August 19th. So I'm just going to go through some items here and put up a picture of the items and the prices that they're being offered for here next to me. So hopefully you can reference them and check them out for yourself. This year, I will say, I think they worked out a lot of kinks on their website because I didn't really have any glitches going through the add-on sale. Sometimes items are often hard to load. There have been issues where items that I pick out and click to add to my cart don't get added and they sell out. So it's been super frustrating in past seasons. But this season, it seemed to work pretty well for me. So I hope that was your experience as well. So I went ahead and added quite a bit of items. Again, I'm not going to be picking up all these items, but these are ones that I have my eye on that I definitely recommend checking out for yourself as well. And it's a really nice variety of things I think I have this season. So the first item that I wanted to talk about, of course, is in the kind of skincare category. And this product, I'm really excited to try out because I had my eye on it previously. So when it popped up as an add-on, I was very excited. So it's this Bloom Cream Probiotic Moisturizer. It's from Beekman 1802. And this is a line of skincare products. And I think they have some very gentle makeup products as well. And it's based off of using goat milk as the primary ingredient. And goat milk supposedly has the same pH as human skin. So it's able to supposedly absorb a lot better than some other products. I have tried out some of their products, including their body cream, their lip balm, and their hand cream. So I did review their hand cream in a little mini review of my hand cream favorites, and I will link that down below if you want to check it out. But I do enjoy their hand cream. I agree that it does soak into the skin a lot better than some other products I've tried. I have not yet tried this probiotic moisturizer, so I'm really excited to check it out. It's a great savings. As you can see, it's a 69% savings. So I figured, why not? Now's the time to give it a try. So I will almost for sure pick this up, and I will let you know what I think going forward, but that's definitely one I have my eye on. And believe it or not, that's the only skincare item that I found on the add-on sales this year. I often tend to pick up a lot of skincare and makeup products through these sales, but this year I really didn't need anything else, so I think that's the only skincare item I'm going to be picking up from the sale. The next category I would say is hair care, and I have several items. The first is my good old favorite of these Invisibobbles. So I talk about this almost in every sale because I love always restocking on these, and they're not supposed to leave any kinks in your hair, kind of minimize headaches from ponytails, and I really do love the quality. I think the original Invisibobbles, as you can see here, are really pretty long lasting, and I think they're really cute as well. So I have a couple of these in my cart. I think this value is pretty great. You get 2 packs, and each pack has 3 of them in them. So the savings is pretty good as well, as you can see here. So they have a couple different colorways to choose from this season. So first there's one pack up here that is gold and pink, another one that is bronze and clear, and the third one that I have in my cart is a clear and pink. So I love all of these kind of neutralish type of colors, so I will probably pick up a few of these packs as well. And I think these are great little add-on gifts to throw in stockings. I often do, well, I should say I always do every year, an advent calendar for my kids and have to find little bits and baubles to put in them, so this is perfect for my daughters. So I just love picking these as little add-on treats for people. So the next items that I have here are a couple items to use during the summer months. And as a side note, I really did enjoy my summer FabFitFun box. I hope you guys liked yours as well. I actually liked the items more than I thought I would. So during our limited summer road trip travel this season, I actually used the beach kind of mat or park mat that was offered in customization 1, I believe, last season, and the beautiful neoprene pink tote bag a lot, and I love them. I think they're great quality, so I was very excited about those items. So kind of along the summer theme still, I have this bundle in my cart that I'm not sure I'll actually purchase because I probably don't need it, but I thought it was a great value. It's called the Beach Getaway Bundle, and the savings is pretty amazing. Supposedly the retail price is $105, and they're offering it for $26.99. It comes with this Cooler Refreshing Water Mist. So I have tried this before. I really do love this Cooler product. It's kind of a little touch-up for sunscreen to your face, so I highly recommend that. It does not have a sunscreen scent either, which is really perfect. It has this really cute little bucket, a hat, and some basic aviators. So again, I probably don't need any of this stuff, but I figured it's just kind of a cute little bundle that I had my eye on. And then I also picked up another pair of sunglasses here in my cart, and it's an Expressionist black sunglasses. The brand is Privé Revaux, and this line of sunwear, or eyewear I should say, actually I think was founded by Jamie Foxx, in addition to some of his other friends as well. And it's a line of really trendy eyewear. You've probably seen them marketed other places. And they make a lot of, I've seen blue light blocking readers and glasses in addition to sunglasses. So I really like the style of this. I think it's really a classic look. I just kind of love it, the style of it. So I think I'm going to go ahead and pick it up. I haven't tried their sunglasses, but I do own several pairs of their blue light blockers. And I think the quality actually is quite good for the price point. So the other item that I have here is this really, really cute hat. The brand is Gaiam, and I've seen this brand before. I think they make a lot of maybe yoga type of athleisure wear. And this is the Wander Breathable Geo Hat in Tie-Dye Frost. So it really caught my eye, just the colorway. It's a really pretty light blue kind of tie-dye colorway. And apparently it has some laser cutting as well for style and breathability. It's adjustable and it has a moisture absorbing sweatband too. So I think it's great for kind of athleisure looks, just kind of going on walks, taking the kids to the park, or going to some sporting events. I think that'd be really cute. I'm really into hats these days at my time off, so I think it provides good sun protection. I think they look really cute. You don't have to do your hair. So yeah, I'm really into hats. So I think I'm going to give this one a try. And then another thing that I picked up here is something for the nails, and this is super fun. It's inked by Danny, and it's a color nail art set. I believe these are just nail art tattoos or little stickers to put on your nails. But what I loved about these is there's some really cute prints, and my 6-year-old daughter is going to be all over this. She's slowly starting to get into wanting to do, facials and wear face masks like I do. She's really asking about these things and more into kind of doing her nails. So I thought this would be a really fun little treat and some really cute little tattoos for the nails. So I definitely am excited to try these out. Just kind of a fun little product, I thought. And then I have a couple of jewelry items. So I'm not sure, again, I'm going to actually pick these up, but I really love these two beautiful necklaces. So the first is a sterling silver CZ and butterfly layer necklace. The brand is Sterling Forever. And as you can see here, it's really cute layered butterfly themed necklace. So I love butterflies, and everything butterflies kind of signify of a rebirth, kind of a new beginning. I think that really holds a lot of meaning, and I love butterflies for that reason. So I'm into kind of these little dainty necklaces too. So I thought this one might be a nice addition to my collection. So I favor the gold tone one here, but I believe it also comes in a silver tone in case you're interested. And then another necklace that I thought was super pretty was this really gorgeous pear bezel necklace. And as you can see here, it's by Kenneth J. Lane, which is a designer that I have a couple other costume jewelry pieces from, and I think the quality is really great. But again, I just really love these kind of little ditzy layering type of necklaces these days. So I thought this one was a really cute one and a really great price in my opinion. I mean, it's a 85% savings, so it's kind of hard to pass that up. But I thought that was a really great selection. And then I have a couple of clothing type items that are in my cart. The first one is a Summer and Rose Fashion Heel Hugger set of 6 socks. These are the kind of no-show socks, and I'm wearing a lot of sneakers these days. I know sneakers are really in now, so I love these no-show type of socks to wear with my sneakers. So I wanted some to refresh some in my collection. So I thought this was a really beautiful colorway, especially for fall. I really love the gray and wine tones. So I think this was a great value as well. I think you get 6 pair of them, which is great. And then the other clothing item I want to check out is from Free People. And I believe FabFitFun has been offering Free People items for a little bit of time now. And it seems that in the add-on sales, the Free People items just go like that. And I don't honestly know why. I don't think the savings are all that great. I think you can get decent sales on Free People items elsewhere, even thrifted Free People items. And on this channel, I often thrift to source my Poshmark and eBay closets. So I definitely see a lot of Free People out there. It is somewhat oversaturated, so I'm not really certain why these items have a huge following on FabFitFun, but they always sell out really quickly. So I didn't really like any one in particular, but this one kind of caught my eye. I thought it was a really cute, oversized kind of style. It has a little bit of a Henley with a collared look, kind of a polo-y type of style. But what's nice about it is the back hemline is kind of a high-low hemline on the back. So it definitely would be great for kind of tunic style dressing. So I think with skinny jeans for me would be perfect. I just like the cut of this, which is why I have this in my cart. I'm not certain I will leave it in there, but I thought it was something definitely to consider. And then I have a few houseware items just to kind of round out my cart here. And the first is this set of baskets. It is from Summer and Rose, and it is the Bryland basket set of 3, and it's kind of, they're calling it plaid, but it's kind of more of a striped color, I would say. Another great value in my opinion. And these baskets are just obviously great for odds and ends, just kind of organizing around the house, which I love to do with baskets. So whenever I find some cute baskets, kind of a good deal, I love to pick them up. I really like using these as well to organize a lot of my kids' stuff. So not just toys and things like that, but really even clothes. So in my son's room, I have a basket for their socks and then their underwear, and different things to organize like that are really helpful around the house. So I have my eye on this set of baskets. And then I have, of course, a few candles. This is fall 2021 FabFitFun box or add-on, so you have to have some candles in your cart, I would say. I love burning candles, but definitely during the fall and winter season, 100% that's when I love to burn them the most. I think it just adds such a great feel to your home, a really warm and cozy feel. So I always pick up candles, especially this time of year. So I had 2 in my cart that I have my eye on. I probably would just select one of them, but they're pretty similar. And of course they are pumpkin spice. So I know there's a huge pumpkin spice craze. I'm not you know, all that into it, I'll say. I definitely love my pumpkin spice lattes during this time of year, but you know, I'm not one of those that's like super obsessed or anything, but I do love the scent in my home too. I think it adds so much warmth to the house, especially in the fall season. So the first candle was from Ryan Porter. It's called If You Were a Spice Girl, You'd Be Pumpkin Spice, it says, which is kind of cute. I thought it was a good value. I don't know anything about this line of candles, so please let me know if you like or don't like it. It's 100% soy wax, it says here, made in the USA, which is kind of cool. So that's one of them I have my eye on. And then I just have one other final candle as well, which is similar, and it is this beautiful one here. It's Stone Candles is the line, and it's called Smells Like Pumpkin Spice. So I don't know the difference between these two, to be honest. I believe this one here is a little larger than the other ones. The value's probably a little better, but again, I'm not knowing anything from these line of candles. I'm probably just going to pick one of them and see what I think. If you've tried these out before, definitely comment down below. I'm curious to see your thoughts on which one I should select. Alright, so I think that does it. Those are all the items currently in my add-ons cart for the fall season. Again, I need to wade through these a little more. I probably will go through the add-ons as well that are still available again. And as you're probably aware, throughout the remaining time that the sale is open, the add-on availability definitely changes because people go and read through their own carts, so things become available that weren't before. So I would advise just right before the sale closes to kind of weed through your cart again and then go over what's still available, because there may be some things that you wanted that you had sold out that have suddenly become available for you. So that's my plan and strategy, at least. But I hope you're having fun kind of shopping these add-ons. If you are not subscribed to this channel already, please consider doing so, because I will do a couple more FabFitFun videos. I'm going to be doing a customization or customize with me video up next, so stay tuned for that. And then I, of course, will also unbox all these items for you when I actually receive them in a few weeks. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.